hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No. Say I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. Please, for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. Please, for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. They said you got high as the sky. Up all night just dancing.
I should vlog that. Hair and makeup is very demanding. You thought your mama could snatch your head off? It's your makeup and hairstylist, right? Right, Cibola can do it. Right. I'm weak.
Just have a
right. Like,
thought we were friends, but I'm questioning it.
Hide your body, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do, you do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one.